Welcome to the channel, guys. Last week I had to move houses, so I didn't put any videos last week. But I'm back in the new house, so hopefully I can put more videos now on. As you can see on screen, I thought I'll do a video on oil, ASX oil players, like energy players, and see how things are going, because recently oil has gone up very, what you call, very high. All the energy players in ASX has gained a lot of ground. So today let's have a quick look. Most of the, like in my list, you can see here who are in my list. Then yeah, then we'll go from there. I'll tell what I think, and then you can make your call. Okay, so first, as you can see, this is the US oil price chart. So as you can see here, the oil price sort of going sideways, then down, then again sideways. This is, I believe, yeah, that's COVID crash. Is it COVID crash? Yeah. Then now trying to go up. So you can see this, make this area bigger now. So see here, this area has been a resistance, then this area has been a resistance for a while. See, 1, 2, 3 times, then the fourth time it has now gone up this resistance. So this means it can go probably all the way up to the next level. Next level is around here. Anyway, this is index, so what we can get out of this is, you can see last few weeks prices are moving upwards, or prices are moving north, so that is a good sign. Now we'll have a look our, what do you call, our ASX stocks. Then let's see whether they are looking good, what we think. So let's first look at Origin Energy. For some reason my record button is sort of stuck here, so I can't see my list clearly. I believe the Origin is the first one I have there. Anyway, let's try our best. Yeah, Origin Energy. So you can see, I don't go that far from, let's look at from this bottom. So there was a bottom in 2016, then it sort of started going up, then something may have happened, not sure, then came down. 2018 started going up again, then the COVID happened, then this is like try to go up, failed. So this area around here is a very good support for this stock. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sort of lot of occasions this stock has been supported, not much in the past. So now you can see this, we have broken this trend now, move sideways, now it is going up. So first thing it has to do is Origin Energy. You can see resistance area around here, around, let's say around closer to here. So I like, first, if I want to buy this stock, I would like to clear this box, our resistance box, at least 1 week, like close above, then I am confident I can enter with the stop loss, let's say below or around here, stop loss with that stop loss. Then my target is, there's another resistance area here, sort of, let's say here. So again, like a box, if I try to draw it somewhere here, then go to here, previous support. That's the other area we have to keep an eye. But I am happy to enter this stock since energy stocks overall going up. Once this clears this box, close, let's say 1 week above the box, I am happy to enter with a stop loss below my box, or just this resistance may be a good recall the stop loss level, because it may come there and go back. Anyway, I will not take that much because we have few stocks to look. Yeah, that's what I can see with Origin. I will wait few more weeks to make sure this goes above this resistance box and enter. Otherwise, it may hit the resistance box and goes out again. Let's look at next one. Next one is Viva Energy. See, it has passed that resistance box what I was talking, and it it is looking good now. So this is a good one I like to enter, but again, do your own research if you want to buy. Only thing you have to be careful here is where you put the stop loss level, because if you put the stop loss bottom of that box, yeah, 13%, not that bad. Yeah, so it's a good stocks to keep an eye and looking good, because it has passed this resistance box. Probably next resistance area may be around this. Let's say if I make a box again, so next area may be around here, may face some resistance, but it's looking good. Viva Energy, and the volume is picking up. You can see RSI also going upward, so people are buying into it. That is good, and you can see it is making these what you call higher bottoms here. So that's a good sign. Next one is oil search. Again, this is that big, like a good, I would expect resistance level in here. So you can see so many times it came around that mark, supported, then dropped below this that mark. So anyway, so same story here. I have my resistance area clearly marked here. So it has done really good last 3 weeks, but I like to see it close above this resistance for at least 1 week if I want to enter. Volume is picking up. You can see volume is going up. RSI is going up. Again, nice setup, but again, I won't enter at this stage because it is getting closer to a resistance here. I would enter once it passed that resistance and close above at least 1 week. Then the next level it will have a lot of resistance is this let's say 6 to 620 sort of mark. You can see in the history. See, that area is always acted as a support previously. So I expect it will be a resistance when it going up. If it clears up this resistance, then it's smooth sailing for that oil surge. Next one is Woodside Petroleum. again, I had this stock for months, then didn't do much, then I sold it. So last 4 weeks it has done really good. I just measured before, it was around, oh, what's happening with my mouse? Okay. Yeah, around gain about 31% so far. Same like most of the stocks, it has run the stocks have run last 3-4 weeks, so I expect there may be pullbacks coming. So Woodside Petroleum also going to a resistance area. So same like what I said before, I would wait until it clears, because since it ran for 4 weeks, now it may run another 1 week, then hit the resistance, then come down. So that may be a good opportunity to buy rather than buying at the high prices. Always keep a look at that US oil chart, then you can get a gauge where things are going. BHP, again, like I think most of the energy stocks have the similar theme. It has run hard last 2, 3, 4 weeks, and I expect a pullback. I don't know how much, but pullback very soon, because people may be taking profits soon. So then it may be a good time to enter. But when you enter, you just look at the resistance and support levels, which is very close to a support. Then that may be a stock very good to enter, rather than like I think we all want to buy low, sell high, sort of. That's what the game is about. Anyway, beach energy, same thing. You can see this support level here, and there's a small resistance here. It may see sort of came pushed up. It may settle around here, what you call consolidate around here a little bit, then go up. So keep an eye at this stage. Yeah, I would wait to see what this stock does next few weeks. There are few levels it has to pass to go up, but yeah, at this stage it looks good. Volume has picked up, RSI has picked up, all good. Z energy again, see, you can see here what I was talking. See, it has this resistance here. So what it did was it came up from this support, up, then gapped up, then now it is coming towards this support, and I have a feeling normally they fill these gaps. It may come and fill this gap and go up. So this will be a RSI also going down. Volume has slightly picked up, but yeah, RSI is going down, so the selling is happening now. Yeah, so that's what I told about previous stocks. It may go up, then come back to retest these support levels, then go up again. So if it comes and retests the support, that may be a very good time to buy with a stop loss, because it may come down and not go back. It may come down and go down the support and go down south. So that's why very important you keep a stop loss in case it doesn't come and retest. Just keep going down, I believe, like, if you follow my channel, you know about these stop losses, because I talk a lot in my channel. Santos, same thing, coming to a resistance area again. So if you want to buy, just keep an eye for this resistance box. Probably same thing happen. It did go back, then maybe go up after that. Yeah, so I think that's all in my list for the energy. overall theme is first follow this US oil chart, then you can get an idea where the oil prices are heading. If they are heading north, then ASX oil companies should do the same unless they have specific issues. And other thing I saw, we also from these list charts is if you have bought the energy stocks before, let's say at least 2 weeks before, good luck and you should have got very good gains. And if you are trying to enter now, this may be not the right time because most of the energy stocks has gained like started running from about 2 to 3 weeks back. So you may be catching it like on the top end. So you have to follow the charts closely. Keep an eye. I expect there may be some pullbacks coming. Profits. People may take profit. So that may be a time for enter if you are willing to buy any of the energy stocks. So yeah, that's all. Keep an eye on these support and resistance levels, and always if you buy, put a stop loss that will protect your losses. Like as I tell always. Thanks. Thanks for watching my videos, and I like to thank you all. Again, for the people who are new, if you can subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, that will help my channel a lot. Yeah, thanks.